So something people tell me all the time. They're just not really sure if the assessments they have with the provider that they work with actually works, or whether they're getting enough value from them, or whether they're following best practice. People are often just sort of left in the dark. Often there's a lot of communication around the sales process, and then you start using the assessments, and it's radio silence. Now, there's a lot of reasons for this. One fortunate reason is that the industry is being led by salespeople as opposed to psychologists, as opposed to psychometricians, as opposed to people who kind of know how to use these assessments most effectively. As a result, people come to us often and will say, am I using the right assessments? Should I be using this combination of assessments? Am I doing this at the right stage? Am I using the correct pass marks or cut scores? They don't know. And when they relay these concerns to their provider, they're met with radio silence, or they're given platitudes simply because their account managers don't know themselves and they don't know how it works, why it works, or how to use it most effectively. Now, a test partnership always have very easy access to a business psychologist, a psychometrician, someone who knows the answer to these questions, someone who is aware of the research, of the best practice, and is able to conduct validation research in your organization to find out exactly how these things should be done, whether they are working, what extent are they working, and provide guidance. As a result, you would need to ask this question, okay, because the fact that you are asking is indicative of a serious problem, that you aren't really sure what's going on because you weren't informed, and more likely, the organization themselves don't know. They're often just salespeople. This is important because who else is going to give you this information? Who should be in a better position to do so? The people who design and publish and host the assessments. You should have a provider that has that expertise, that is able to answer those questions and maximize the value you get from their products. It's essential, and that's a key part of what we're offering. We have substantial expertise and availability to ensure that we can help, that you get maximum return on investment from the products that you choose, and ensure that you're choosing the right ones and make sure that you have everything you need in order to get that value moving forward, as opposed to radio silence, which is often the case with a lot of providers.